Hey guys, I hope you've been keeping well at home. I'm Candy Lim, editor of the Singapore Women's Weekly. My team and I have been working from home just like everyone else. We're doing our part to try to flatten the curve. So I'm sure many of you have seen home videos of people who are working from home and attempting their own version of the Dalgona cloud coffee. And I thought I might try to come up with a version that's kids friendly. And it's going to be so easy, so simple and fast free that you can even do it with your kids. I'm a mom of 3 and my youngest boy, Cameron, has volunteered to help mommy in the kitchen today.
Hello. So today, actually what should we name it?
What do you think?
We should name it Cloud Milo.
Okay, Cloud Milo, I think that sounds good.
Because we name it Cloud Milo because of the Milo powder instead of coffee powder. Anyways, the 3 ingredients that you need is so simple that you only need 3 ingredients, okay? Sugar is one of them. Milo powder is one of them. And the boiling water that is advisable to work with a parent around or your mom because of how hot it is and it could burn you.
Okay, are we ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Okay, we have all ingredients in this bowl, and for the next step, we're gonna use our hand mixer to whisk all our ingredients. And I'll ask my mom to do this part because for me, I'm a kid and we should get our parents to do it.
Alright, how long should we mix this?
We should make this for about 1 to 2 minutes because we want it to be extra gooey. We don't want it to have too much powder left behind.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
For next step, no, it isn't really a step because all you gotta do is drink it. It's the best part of making Cloud Milo because it will be so tasty. I haven't tried it before, so it's new to me, but I think it's gonna be nice. Okay, I will help to hold the cup because I'm not so good at pouring. My mom will help me. Ooh, that looks like Nutella. So now this is the surprise, I guess. That actually it became Muddy Milo. I call it Muddy Milo because it sinks to the bottom and like mud's at the bottom and cloud is at the top. It actually looks even better because white color is for clouds and black color is for mud. So it's even better now. We can still call it Cloudy Milo. Okay, anyways, now we're gonna actually stir it and then we'll taste it. Oh wow, that's thick at the bottom. Wow, do you see that? The milk is becoming like chocolate. Come on, stir it more. Okay, this is enough. Okay, let's see how it tastes. Oh my god, that tastes so good. It's like chocolatey cold Milo and it's so nice. It's like, oh my god.
Do we like it or do we love it?
We very love it.
Okay, so we've tried using Milo instead of instant coffee powder and found that the texture isn't quite as gooey as we need it to be for cloud coffee. See? Like, this is what you get when you use instant coffee powder. And over here, when we use Milo, it's more like a thick, gooey chocolate sauce. Well, it's a good thing the little man says that it tastes really good and he loves it. So, what I'm going to do here is I've got some Milo sauce left, quite a lot actually, and I've got the cloud coffee version. So I'm going to make a Milo mocha. Cloud coffee Milo mocha. Here goes. Alright, look at that.
Wow.
So look, this is our version of Milo mocha cloud coffee. You can see that it's really dense. The Milo sauce is really dense. It's sunk right to the bottom. And on the top right here, that's our cloud coffee.
And then we got our Cloud Milo.
Little man here is enjoying his cloud Milo. We're gonna dig in. Catch you later.